The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall. Now, there's words on the street that is said that KiDnAPPeD has been missing for 2 days. Them said that she has been kidnapped and taken advantage of. You see me? Now, there is some speculations on social media where some people say that it is a publicity stunt, and some persons have said that it actually happened. You see me? Some persons say she had tell lie. And me I go play one video first where say, you know, where there is a person that is known as Ganguli that says that him found her and him bring her back home. You see me? It's like bits and pieces of video put together where it shows of him finding her and saying bring her home and so forth. You see me? And then after I play that video, I'm gonna play a next video that shows her performing at a party that people said that this party was on the weekend, and it has said that she had been missing for 2 days. Alright? So when we put these things to you, my viewers and subscribers, and now tell me, is it a publicity stunt or not? Alright? So here's the first one with Ganguli saying that him found her. Observe.
Alright, people, you know I can't go with this and I can't do with this. See? Get a phone call from her mother, her parents. So can't do missing 2 days now. See? Remember 2 days now. They can't find her. If you understand, sir, they kidnap her. See? Just as the girl get her ear and bus, we try to bring her back down. Try to use her to do arts and ask her, see? Make some link. And you don't know a Spanish town thing, no, nah, man. I'm in a Spanish town here. I'm fine her. They are so now with her. See? We bring her back to our parents. You understand? It's how we stay. We're not trying to build, we're trying to kill. Over the years, them set a bad picture for Ganguli. And Ganguli bad, and Ganguli this. And all I'm trying to do over the years, I have to help the less unfortunate. I help myself. Likewise. I look at, see, girl get kidnapped. That bring her right now back to her parents. You understand? Now when we get the car, I'm frightened. See, me not even beat. Just jump in some clothes. I say, alright, you are found for her. See? I see her here. Candy, talk to them. Talk to them, Candy. Say something, man. Talk to them. See? A joke matter this. It's a joke thing. You understand? Them thing I'm telling about. See what I say? Who are use people picnic them now, see them. When they try to play a bad picture for me and why. You see? I bring a guy here, man. Hey, you bring a guy mother. Hey, you bring a guy now. You see? Me. You see? Me. Find out. Now bring her back home. Ah, yeah. I jam my work fine, I'm work for mankind. You hear that? Can't be worried. Don't worry yourself. Everything I got alright. Don't worry yourself. Everything I got alright. Don't worry yourself. Yeah. See? Yeah, I bring it to your dad, to your mother, everybody. Don't worry yourself. Big up on yourself, Jamaica. Ganguli said that. Go support this song with me already, yeah? You need a WoW, Ganguli featuring Kanye. Go on YouTube, yeah? Support her. Right, help her, yeah? They said that. Sadal, yeah. Real talk. She there now, man.
But that people come.
Yeah, man, she there now. You see, they bring her home back. You see, what go on?
Come now.
Yeah, man, we bring her forward back.
Yeah, last night when we moved, talk about it and them tell me say, oh, yeah. Move. Tell me what they are, what them do? What them do? I go because she never did forget. See the clothes when them take her in here, see? I put it up on Instagram.
You put it up?
Yeah, that my daughter go up on Instagram and show me.
So what them say? What them say?
Not a thing.
They just put up a picture?
Yeah.
Very.
Candy. Candy! I say what them do. Candy! I say what them do. Tell Angie to lock up them claws. Them forgot jail. Up there. A jail them forgot no mercy jail. Here go come in.
No. That video that I just looked at a while ago is the video that is circulating on social media that says that Candy has been kidnapped and she has been missing for 2 days. Alright. Now, there's another video now that is circulating on social media that says that she was seen at a party within the same 2 days that they said that she was missing. Right? So all of this is things that have been said, right? Right, they said that she was at the party. So I'm going to show you the video now about the party. Take a look at this and observe.
Alright, hear me I say now. You're going to make your profile. Hear me now. You get to understand, so you're a holy man of a holy girl. Calm down. You're a bona fide man of a whole heap of girl, but you see no matter too much girl the boy want to have, you see the end of the day.
Viewers and subscribers, as me look on this video, there's a few things I like to point out on this video in the meanwhile that I play. First thing you can see, the shirt that she have on. I think I can recognize that shirt. I think I see that shirt in the first video, right? Yeah. And I think I recognize that pants. And the slippers. You can't say me say, now you can't say me try to manipulate things. I bring it to you as how it is out there. You get what I say to you? From the first time this thing I say Candy been kidnapped and taken advantage of, you know, I mean, a lot of persons say, you can't trick me. Some persons say, a fake stunt. Some persons say, don't make them tell lie. And don't make, what? Some persons say, what? Don't make them tell if you tell lie, Candy and all these things. There's a whole heap of things. So I say, now, me look on the video now, and me not tell no lie. If this is a publicity stunt, well, trust me, because, you know, the way how she sit down and move and act, and the way how the people in the yard attack and so forth, well, it's a good one. If it is a publicity stunt, you know. But if it is not a publicity stunt, well, me not tell no lie. Jah know that harsh. You see what I say? Because it has been said that she has been taken advantage of, and taking advantage of can mean rape. It can mean you get beat up and all these things, you know. But you know, when you look at the video, if somebody get beat up, you'll actually see swelling on the face and all these things, you know. Yeah, you know. And you don't know, say social media, you know, it's like them know, say social media is a place where people quick for run with things and so forth. So as something come out, they will be like zoo and go with it, you know, whether good or bad news. You see me? So it's a platform that can be used for good and it can be used for bad, you know. I prefer use it for good and just bring nothing more than the truth to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? Ganguli now is a man who did help one man that get hit by a car, right? And if people will follow this story, remember him, you know, them are go want to take him word for what him said towards the situation, you know, because of the role that he played. You see me? So there's word out there that said that Candy WoW has been taken advantage of, right? And she has been missing for 2 days. Basically, them said that she has been kidnapped. You see me? And there's another video where persons that said that, yo, nothing no gossip. She was at a dance. Alright? So I'm gonna leave it to you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this and tell me what you think. You see me? I said put these two videos together and tell me. You see me? Alright, but anyways, I don't know things set. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. And always remember to read some of the comments, as my viewers and subscribers will leave some comments that's very informative. And as well, me will leave a comment in the comment section that will keep you up to date to the videos that I present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see what I said to you? Alright, my name is StuNt. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?